Hi there, I'm
Hi.
Tracy Bell, and this is my husband,
Greg.
and we are the Quarreling
Couple.
Couple. So this is our first video, and we're going to try to make some fun videos that are fun to watch. Maybe you'll learn something, maybe not. Greg and I are new to camping. We started with a pop-up last year, had a lot of fun, but upgraded recently to this terrific ultralight Puma ultralight.
All right, cool. So that is totally correct. And we'll take a look at the camper. So this is the camper. It is a Puma Ultralight, as Tracy already said. It is specifically the 16 DSX. And what's great about this camper is that it has a little slide out with a nice little table. And basically we're living large here. We have our like ice maker and our little outside stove. Our tow vehicle is a Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. It handles this camper without any trouble at all. And we can go inside and check out the inside because everyone knows what the outside of a camper looks like. So let's go. Go ahead. Okay, so on our way in, Tracy has her hand on this great grab bar, which really should have came with the camper. And that goes on the screen door. That was like an easy 4 screws and you're done. The next is, well, we're both in our 50s and it didn't come with this great grab handle, but you definitely need that.
Especially if you're going into the camper with your arms full of stuff, which is 9 times out of 10 the case.
Yeah, so these grab handles are super easy to put in. It was only 2 screws at the top and 2 at the bottom. And then we got these like little carpeted stair covers, which are really nice, and they have springs on the back side to hold them down. So that makes getting in. We're inside now. It has this Camper Queen bed, which is pretty nice, and would have to say that one of the best things about this is the bed. It's nice and big. It's super plush. We have like a memory foam mattress on there, which was like a little bit of an upgrade. The only drawback I would say are the cabinets to the left and right. And Tracy's going to show you what the big problem is here. So with 2 inches of memory foam on board of the stock mattress, it is just too hard to open those cabinets.
Opening it's not really a big deal, but closing it, you gotta
can
get all the sheeting out of the way.
So she told me what she thought might be a quick fix is that we're just going to reverse the hinges, and I'll put the door from the right on the left and the left and the right, and we'll get them switched over, and that way they'll open the other way, and the done deal.
Good for a left-handed person.
Yeah. Next thing we did is we added this little TV with DVD player, and I'll tell you what, when it's raining,
It's the bomb.
it's the bomb. So that's the bed area and the TV.
Yep.
And next over here, it's a little bit messy, but we got this nice little dinette area. It's on a slider. We didn't think we would like the slider and thought it would be too much for the car to pull, but actually
Wonderful.
it's car can handle it like it's nothing, and this is so much more room than the other one we were considering with the basic.
You can sit down and you
yeah.
can play cards, you can play Scrabble, you can play Yahtzee, you can light a candle, you can have dinner. It's terrific.
Awesome. Next area is a little kitchen, and it's super great, super cool. Got the little microwave oven, which we've used a few times.
Super dirty.
Yeah. The only thing that I didn't like about the kitchen area is the range top. You need a lighter to light those burners, and I thought at this price point you should get like a stove that has like a little clicky on it so that you can light the propane without using a cigarette lighter.
We did think the window was a little strange as well.
Yeah, that's kind of a weird drawback, is these little windows, they don't really open that bar, and it's either open or closed, and that's
Doesn't really make any sense to me.
Yeah. Sink's pretty good. It's not that deep, if you can see, but we're really not doing a whole bunch of dishes in here. So under cabinet area, got some pretty good storage space.
Plenty of room for pots,
Plenty
and,
pots
pans.
and pans.
Got one up here for cups and bowls and plates.
I'm thinking maybe an upgrade for this might be like another little shelf here, so you can put stuff and kind of capture some of that space up there.
Yeah.
Has this really great stereo.
Bluetooth. It's got a microwave. Who thinks of a microwave for camping? But hey, who doesn't like popcorn?
Yeah. So this was another thing that we definitely had to have, was this huge refrigerator, and this thing is awesome.
It's great. A couple of storage units over here. We use it for pantry.
Yeah. Again, they're really deep, and we're not really getting to use all that storage because they're so far back.
Right.
Oh, going back to the dine out, like Tracy, show them how like hard it is to open the.
Right. So we have things. There's storage units under all 3 seats. So you have to take off the cushions, which is kind of a pain, but it's easy enough to do. It's just kind of a hassle. So the openings to all 3 of these are a hole. Put your finger in it and open it up. You literally have to move this out of here
to get
into what you need to get into. And like I said, there's plenty of storage, which is great, but it's kind of a hassle in my opinion.
So one of the things I was thinking that I might do in another video is put a handle over here and then put a hinge on here so that it could open a little bit more easily. And then I think we'll get some more use. And then on the ends.
But to not have to take the cushions off would be the best deal.
Yeah.
So Greg is probably going to make another video with his idea about that.
Yeah.
And we'll talk about that during that video.
Yeah, that is a great idea.
Let's
actually.
stay on track.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
the bathroom is pretty kind of cool.
This is really one of the main reasons why we switched from the pop-up, which was really cool. But
Yes, pop-up was very cool, but when you need to go tinkle in the middle of the night, it's nice to have it right there.
yeah, and having a toilet and
A shower.
which was
And this
super
shower is
cool.
great. It's got like a little bathtub, so you could even, if your grandbabies were here, you could even give your grandbaby a bath.
Yeah, so that's the tour of the inside, and now you've seen it.